Cation Bells. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about ionic bond formation. I am going to do a reaction which demonstrates ionic bond formation. Today's reaction is in between aluminium and chlorine. So let's begin. Between aluminium, Al, and chlorine, Cl, which ultimately leads to formation of aluminium chloride, whose formula is AlCl3. Now I am going to write the reaction. So here I have drawn an aluminium atom with its 3 valence electrons. It has an electronic configuration of 2A3. And there are 3 chlorine atoms, as the formula suggests so. Each of the chlorine atoms have 7 valence electrons. They have an electronic configuration of 2A7. Now the reaction. Aluminium loses its 3 valence electrons, and the 3 chlorine atoms over here try to gain these lost valence electrons. So this transfer of electrons occurs. Ultimately, the products we get are Al3 plus Cl minus 3. An Al3 plus cation and 3 Cl minus chloride anions are formed. They have an electronic configuration of Al3 plus has the configuration 2,8. It has attained the octet configuration of neon. Cl minus chloride anion has the configuration of 2A8. It has attained the octet configuration of argon. As a result, Al3 plus cation and 3 Cl minus chloride anions attract each other by the electrostatic force of attraction. Static force of attraction. Ultimately, an electrovalent or ionic bond is formed. Ionic bond. therefore the unit Al3 plus Cl minus 3 is electrically neutral. Since number of positive charges is equal to number of negative charges, which in this case is 3. There are 3 positive charges and 3 negative charges, hence the unit Al3 plus Cl minus 3 is electrically neutral. Now you may take a close look at this reaction. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.